All right, problem number 4, mistake number 4, lack of consistent systems. And it's important that we say consistent systems. We all like systems, and we all have different meanings for the word systems. But we have to know in our industry, the more we can be systematized from a process standpoint, the better it's going to be for our operation. It doesn't matter what industry you look at, systems equal success, right? What's the success of McDonald's? Quality of their food? No. It's the consistency of their product. Right? I was on a flight not too long ago. I'm flying on a flight, and I happen to be sitting right behind the cockpit, like in the front center chair there. And I'm looking, I can see inside the cockpit. And I see the 2 pilots as they're doing their stuff, and they're reaching between, they had like something down there, they're reaching between, they pull out this old dog-eared binder, and they're flipping through it on things, and they put it back, and they pull it back up, they look again. That's called a pre-flight checklist. They're flying an airplane, for crying out loud. And they're using a paper checklist, a system. We've got to have that. Now, if you want to give yourself a self-assessment, think of this concept. There's a continuum, and on one side, the bad side, is complexity and variation. How much complexity and variation is there in your business? Is there a lot of variation? Does everything get done differently? If somebody walks in your office and says, hey, can you, I need to break my lease. Are you like, okay, let's see, how are we going to handle this? Or do you have a process for those weird things? You want simplicity and am I getting this backwards? You want simplicity and consistency. You don't want the variation. And we're all somewhere on that continuum, aren't we? The goal is to continually move towards simplicity and consistency. Every person is treated the same, every way, every time. This has so many benefits to a company. And I think the way that we've done it, that's worked really well for us, is to take it a step further and have what we call position-specific system manuals. Position-specific. Well, now, why are they position-specific? Well, because our director of accounting's position looks nothing like our director of leasing's position. They do nothing similar. They're very, very different. I'm the president of the company. I have a president system manual. I don't do anything that leasing does. I don't do anything that accounting does, but I have some things I need to do. This is what makes, and we love our people, but this is what makes you not people dependent, but systems dependent.